There are some conspiracy theories out there that I would like you to address. Some people find this departure a little bit weird. What are your thoughts?
There are always conspiracy theories on Wall Street. I'm not a big subscriber to such theory. The announcement today, I think, is just more of a formality. Jack Ma has been speaking about transition for a number of years. In fact, the Analyst event, the most recent June Analyst event in 2017, he spoke very eloquently and articulately about the transition, about his wanting to pass the reins over, about his responsibilities to create a strong bench for the day that he's no longer there. And he's since and prior to that, those statements, had many comments about his, want to retire and not die in his office, but die on a beach, and to turn the reins over to younger people, et cetera. So this narrative has been, present for quite some time. And, today making an announcement of his retirement to happen 1 year from today on the 20th anniversary of the formation of the company, it all ties together in my mind.
Rob, how do we go forward from here, and what are the big challenges?
Well, there's a number of big challenges. I think first and foremost for the entire China internet sector, it starts with China macro concerns and the ebbs and flows on interpretation of trade war, economic growth, currency exchange rates, et cetera. And as you can see, the whole group has been moving, lockstep with the macro narrative. So I think that's first. The second part is the company's going through a pretty major transition in their business lines, and some very aggressive investment being made that's compressing margin and I think compressing valuation. That will either be worked through as those investments turn less loss-making and approach profits, in which case you get a profit acceleration, or more likely investors understand the opportunity and the intrinsic value in the investment areas and give them credit for their ability to execute and start valuing those opportunities appropriately in the stock. So those are the two big issues, I think, surrounding Alibaba.